right, so we're going to talk about storms today. So that's just the different types of storms, and there are three different types of storms that you need to be responsible for to know. One of them is a thunderstorm, which we know what thunderstorms are. We get them here quite often. Okay, they have strong winds. Heavy rain, thunder, and lightning. All right. So they occur. So if I'm writing these down, make sure that you are writing, okay? Let's see. They occur when a cold air mass, and that is a cold front, goes underneath warm air. So if you think about it, when it storms, typically in the summer, it can be real hot. It's real hot, right? And then the cold air comes in and it overtakes the warm air. So after a storm, usually it is a lot cooler, right? So it like cools off, the air. So it can be damaging. They can produce hail, right? And we are used to seeing thunderstorms. All right, and they usually happen in spring and summer. We don't get them too much in the fall, in the winter, but usually spring and summer because the warm air masses. All right, and then we have hurricanes. So hurricanes occur over warm water. And so typically in the Atlantic Ocean. So they have, it's a circular storm with an eye. So it's like the center. And there are high winds and heavy rain. They have to have the warm water. But the more warm water they go over, the stronger they get. So like if it goes over Florida, it'll weaken once it goes over the land, and then when it goes over the Gulf of Mexico, it gets a lot stronger. So hurricanes are they're bigger than a tornado. I'm gonna put that. And they last longer. All right. Yeah. All right. But a tornado can not necessarily do more damage, but their wind speed can be a lot stronger. They pack more of a punch because they don't last for very long, but they can be pretty damaging. They form on land. From thunderstorm clouds. Okay. They create a funnel cloud with a column of warm air. They can reach up to 300 miles per hour wind speeds. So they can pick up trains and cars and cows if you've ever seen the movie Twister. But we have seen tornadoes here. Back in 2011, we had one. I know my Chrysler kids, some of my students were actually affected by that, but it damaged a few houses, but luckily no one was seriously hurt. The houses were damaged. A friend of mine actually had his house completely damaged, and he had to move. It damaged his home that bad. So they can happen here, but they're very unlikely because we have the mountains, and the valleys, and we just don't produce thunderstorms that can create tornadoes here. All right, so you're going to do a Google slide, and then actually I'm going to attach a couple weather videos that are fun to watch to this, and then you are finished after you do your Google slide. I can't talk. Bye.